Let's talk about the masters of microscopic survival, unicellular organisms.
So, how do they do it? I mean, these are just one single cell doing it all on their own?
Yeah, unlike the cells in our body, this one cell has to do everything. But what does everything even mean? Well, to stay alive, there are basically 7 essential jobs this little cell has to pull off. Now, to tackle this huge to-do list, life came up with 2 totally different game plans. It all boils down to 2 main designs, the simple prokaryotes and the more complex eukaryotes. The biggest difference? It's really about having a nucleus and other specialized little parts, or organelles. Prokaryotes are kind of the minimalists. Their DNA just hangs out in a region called the nucleoid. Eukaryotes, on the other hand, are way more organized. They have a nucleus as the boss and organelles for different tasks.
Okay, so how does a single cell get around with no legs or fins? Well, they have some pretty clever tricks.
They use everything from long, whip-like tails to these flowing, false feet. Each one is perfect for where they live. All right, next problem, making more of yourself. They reproduce asexually, which means they can multiply fast. Most of the time, they just use binary fission. That's where one cell literally just splits into 2. Then you've got others, like yeast, that use budding. A whole new cell just grows right off the parent. So moving, eating, reproducing, how does one tiny cell pack in all that functionality? What's the secret? It all comes down to, it makes you wonder, right? Is being big and complex always better than being microscopically perfect?